You can use the Quickfind feature in Innate to quickly and easily find work items, that's tickets, cases and actions, people, that's the service recipients or other agents, and communications, that's emails and notes on the work items. Simply type in the Quickfind search bar and results will be displayed. You'll see all three of those types of information, but you can filter down to search just one type, for example, just communications. The color coding lets me see instantly whether a packet is overdue or still on time. I can also see the current state of the work item, for example, whether it's resolved or on pause. And if I click on a record, I get taken to somewhere relevant. Let's look at people specifically for this. Let's say we have someone calling in. I can start to enter their name, and if I keep typing, then my results will filter down further. If we then click on that result, we get taken to that contact's activities page. I can see a record of any previous and current activities and communications with them, and can choose to start a new work item relating to them if I wanted to. Let's close that tab and clear Quickfind again. One thing to note is that if there isn't yet a record for that person calling in, we get offered the chance of creating a new contact record. Perhaps my caller mentions that they've sent in a ticket related to Mexico payroll. So we can type that in the search bar and we get a number of results. We could further filter by work item type and by the start date of the work item. Perhaps our caller mentions an email he sent in with someone's name, Ramon Garcia. We could search for emails containing that text, filter that to incoming emails only, find the email, and then click to see the related work item.